Today I'll show you how to well, do scratch. Hello, okay, wait, no, okay. If you this is like for beginners, so I'm going to show you some basic like movements and all what it does. So yeah, so we this a character is called a sprite in Scratch. You can choose multiple from here. You can upload, you can paint, and you can even like choose it. Now they're also background. Let me show you. You choose the type. Example, I chose Andy. You have him right here. Yeah. So you have to click this and you can get whatever you want. Now you'll also see this icon, which is basically like has the same stuff as Sprite, searching them, painting them, or uploading them. I'm going to show you some, like there are many. Look, there's many. So yeah, I choose one and now I like to I like you to know another thing is that you can from costumes you can change how the app example I chose apple, you can choose anti sprite, whatever. So basically apple does not have any such thing. So basically our cat has two costumes, costume one and costume two. You can rename them from here. You can paint from here, see, and it comes here. You can delete stuff. You can fill it, like, see, you can draw lines, anything. And you can even do, in my next video, I'll explain you how to change, in a program, how to change costume 1 to 2, 2 to 1, yeah. And same for backdrops you can do. Example, I chose a random one. One sec. I'll click here, and now you can see that there's backdrops. You can choose your backdrop. You can do everything basically the same. Yeah, everything is the same. You can rename it, anything. Now I'm going to explain you some basic functions. Like how to make the sprite move, turn around, how to create, how to go to different like a tutorial or something. Yeah, so that's I'm going to show you that. So yeah, so you can basically like let's start. You always click on events and take the when click. Now, you can see as this green flag is like the same over here. Now, what this does is basically when you click this button, it starts your program. And when you click this button, it stops it. So, you always need this program over there. There, you can make it loop forever. Then there's also waiting for a second, the loop forever, 10 times, whatever. There's even if this, wait until, yeah. Now, what I like you to do is go to the more stop. Now you have when clicked, uh, yeah. Now, example, you want to move the sprite from here to here. You can take like move 10 steps, yeah, and connect it to when clicked. Yes. So if you see, if I click green and each time I click it and it goes forward. So basically, you can make her repeat this through controls. As I told you before, you can make her do this forever. You can make her do this 10 times. I'll show you this. It's all automatic. Like if you choose 10 times, you don't have to click it like 10 times again. She'll automatically go. See? And this is how it looks like when it is just one. And if you want to make it go forever, go, and she moves on forever to the edge. Now, if you don't want her to move like this, you can basically just go to motion and like if you don't want her to just go here and get stuck, I prefer you take this thing. If on edge, bounce. It is like how it will. Like if she goes on the edge, she will like bounce back like here. Let me show you. So go here, 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 it will be there. So yeah. And there are many more programs. If you want to change like point this point direction, you can make a point wherever you want. Like if see if I like put 90, it's all I could put 50. I could put this just zero and see. Yeah. So yeah, it's like that. And you can make her go to a specific position, like to random positions or specific positions. And yeah. Now, looks is a category where you can basically like talk. Example, I want to say hello for 2 seconds, and it says hello for 2 seconds. If you want her to say hello for a long time, you could just either like however time. Like example, you want her to keep saying hello until you can do that, and when you say hello first, and then there's she'll say hello till the next, and if you make her do hello for this, it will make her say for a certain amount of time before stop. You can obviously change seconds, right here, watch things, say hello, yeah, whatever. Now, like I told you, this as you see switch costume, like I told you, I'll tell you about this later on. You can basically hide a character or show the character like this. She says hello, then she's basically supposed to hide and what's happening. Yeah. Now, now there are all obviously sounds. You can record your own sound. Events, there's a when click thing. When the sprite is clicked, when a specific key is pressed, example, I say up arrow, this here, and then we put up arrow key, say I like pressed up arrow up, like if I, yeah, see basically. Now, what else to do? When a specific loudness is to this, uh, then yeah, that will happen. When I receive message, that will happen. Then control, I told you basically. On we go down. Wait a second, repeat forever. If then means if this happens, then do this. If, and then if then else is if this happens, then do this. Otherwise, do this. Wait until stop everything or other scripts and sprite, blah blah blah. when I so this is when you create a clone and that create a clone, delete this clone, create a bunch of games. Then there is a lot of stuff, and then there is like sensing, which is basically like example. I take this, it goes like over here, like like it. You see this like side thing, yeah. It goes specifically there, nowhere else. So once like this, we go like over here in a circle. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is like color is touching this, blah blah blah. It's the timer. Now rest. Now I'm going to like skip operators now. Let's go to variables. Now variables is basically where you can set it like some example. It's like I make a variable called store and make it for all sprites. Okay. Now, as you see, I've like unclicked it, it's gone, and when I've clicked it, this score bar comes, which you can drag and do whatever you want with it, whichever you want to do, whatever. Just right click it and whatever. You can change your variable by one, which is basically like switching this to this, blah blah blah. Show a specific variable and hide a specific variable. And now you can obviously make variables like I told. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you something new. This you can basically do stuff like example. I choose pen. A pen category comes. I choose uh, makey. A makey category. So yeah, it is all spam. Blah blah blah. Now next time I'll show you this thing that I'll show you how we can use these, what, how does operators work, how to create a proper game, how does my blocks work, like yeah, and how to create a proper script, and how to like in looks, how to uh, switch between costumes. Okay, so bye. And